Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to separate names in a Google Spreadsheet. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply select the names. And after that, just simply go for the data over here. And you should be able to see here, split text to columns. So just simply click on this one. And as you can see, you will have here detect automatically. You will have comma, you will have semicolon, period, or space, as you can see. So pretty much it will be depending on you, or you can go for the custom over here. And after that, you should be able to separate names in Google Spreadsheet. And another option that you have is just simply go to extensions and go for adds on and go for get adds on. And from here, use the search bar over here and search for split names. And just simply click on the first one and click on install. And after that, just simply sign in into your account. And after that, just simply allow it. Now, once you download it, just simply select the names that you have and go for extension and go for split names and go for start. And after that, you will have an option over here, multiple ones. You can include the first name and last name, middle name, salutation or title. And you will have an option if your column has header. So let's say I'm gonna go for first name and last name only. And from here, just simply click on split. And as you can see, it will automatically have it split. Or if you have, or if you want a, now if you want a header, you can go for extension, split names, start. And after that, just simply check this one, my column has header, and click on split. And it will automatically detect for you. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.